My name is Radiance and I will be your chair yoga instructor for the day, just to give you a sense of calm and give you a nice, warm welcome back home to yourself as you're transitioning in between meetings, or maybe you just stepped into the office. So what we're going to be doing is actually doing a series of stretches and yoga poses within the chair. So get a nice, comfortable chair. Make sure that you are grounded, you're seated firm, that your legs are at a 90-degree angle right in front of you, that your chest is up, and that you're sitting upright on the back of the chair. You don't necessarily have to be sitting on the chair, but make sure that you understand that there is a thread of energy that is rising from your head all the way down your spine, and then creating this beautiful lines here in your body. So what we're going to start with is just scanning our bodies and understanding our breath and where we are in this moment. So what I want you to do is close your eyes or give yourself a soft gaze. Maybe your hands are on your knees, down for firm and grounding with your feet planted directly on the ground, or maybe they're up for receiving. Maybe you are wanting to grasp energy today and receive. Whatever that may look like to you, take about 60 seconds and scan your body. Breathe normally, see what areas are tense in your body, calm your nervous system. We're trying to get back into our parasympathetic nervous system with our rest, digest, and restoration. So let's take a few breaths here. In through your nose and out through your nose. And together we will do a 3 count of breaths. So we're going to inhale for the count of 3, hold for the count of 3, and then exhale for the count of 6. Together, so inhale, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, deep inhale, 2, 3. Hold, 2, 3, exhale, the count of 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale, 2, 3, hold, 2, 3, slowly exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job, find your own breath here. Maybe you're asking yourself, was that a little bit difficult? Do I need to do deeper inhales? Or maybe on the hold, have my chest more upright instead of deep down on the inside? Maybe I'm slower with my exhalations versus rushing them out. Just ask yourself and be mindful of your breathing at this moment. We're going to climb that staircase, and we're going to do it one more time. But instead, it will be a count of 4. It'll be an inhale for a count of 4, holding for a count of 4, and then we're going to slow release, exhale through our lips, very small, for a count of 8. We're going to release that heat and that tension that may be manifesting itself in our bodies. So on the inhale, and then we're going to hold for the 4s, and then exhale for the 8. So inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, slowly exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make any modifications you need. Deep inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, slowly exhale through your mouth, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Slowly exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Find your breath here. And we're going to start with some shoulder rolls. So I want you to gently, slowly lower your neck down, creating maybe like a ball of fist in between your chest and your chin, just sitting right here. Take a deep breath in here. And on your exhale, slowly lower your shoulders. As you're continuing your breath, slowly roll your head over to the right. Again, your eyes can be closer, a soft gaze. Back into the middle. Exhale. Inhale to your left. Exhale in the middle. Inhale on your right. Exhale, meet yourself back in the middle. Inhale to your left. Exhale, meet yourself back in the middle. Slowly bring your chin up to a neutral position, and we're going to do the same thing, but our chins in our head will be in a neutral position. So you're going to look to the right or to the left on your inhales and back to the middle for your exhale. So inhale, and look all the way over your shoulder, giving that nice stretch in your neck here. Exhale, back to the middle. Inhale, we're looking over our left shoulder. Exhale, back to the middle. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale to the middle. Inhale on your left. Exhale to the middle on your right. Neutral, sorry. Inhale to your right, last time. Exhale, neutral, straight ahead. Inhale, your left. And exhale, neutral. Bring your hands to a parallel position here and bring them high into the sky. Your inhale, reaching, and exhale, swing them beside you. Make sure that you have good enough space. Inhale, your hands up to the sky, reaching, getting a nice long stretch, bringing energy, and then pushing that energy to your sides around you on your exhale. Inhale, your arms up, side on, stare up. Be careful of your plants, they're happy too. Exhale, bring it back down, push, push, push. Inhale, hands up. Think of streamlining energy from the ceiling, from the sky, all the way to your chair. And then we're going to exhale, pushing it down, creating a beautiful aura around us. So slowly, your shoulders back, up, getting ready for our day. And then reverse, other way. Good job. All right. And then what we're going to do is a couple side bends. So I want you to bring those hands right back up, reaching high into the sky. Let's bring our right one down and just kind of grasping our bellies here so that we can feel ourselves breathe. Our body works so hard for us. And what we're going to do is take a deep inhale here. And exhale, reach over to your right side, feeling that stretch all the way down your left. Make sure that your sit bones are still in the chair, that you're not pushing them up too much. It's not necessarily about the depth of the bend, but making sure that you get your stretch on your left side. So breathe here. One more, inhale. And maybe when you exhale, you're going a little bit deeper, keeping those sit bones here, but reaching deep. Inhale and exhale, bring it back to your side. That's good. Let's roll those shoulders back and then forwards. Good job. We're going to do the same thing, so bring your hands up. Inhale here. We're going to shift our left arm down. We're going to grab our bellies. Hello, belly. And then what we're going to do is a deep inhale here. And then stretch over to your left side. Yes. Ooh, doesn't that feel good? We're always at our computers, hunched over. We don't really get time to put our hands all the way in the air and waving like we just don't care. So this is a good feeling here. Make sure that you're breathing. That's why our left hand is on our stomach so we can feel our bodies working for us. On your exhalation, see if you go a little bit deeper, keeping both sit bones on your chair. And then bringing it back up here and bringing your right hand to your side. And then have them both on our bellies. And we're going to give ourselves a hug here. So twist side to side, looking over your left and your right. Ooh, this is good. Again, this is why we do our body scan, so that we can send some love to those areas that might be a little bit more difficult. So from here, we're going to actually go ahead into a side bend stretch. So I want you to take your left hand, high left hand, put it on your right knee, and then it depends on if you have a back to your chair. What I want you to do is kind of take this right hand and place it on the back, creating a nice stretch here. Doing an inhale here and exhale, twisting a little bit deeper into the stretch. Make sure that you're keeping your sit bones straight and that your legs are still parallel to the ground. So the only thing that should be facing this way is your torso and your face. If you're smiling at a coworker, hey coworker. And then we're coming back. The exhales, good job. Same thing on the other side. Take your right hand, reach that left hand back to either grab the back of your chair or maybe the back of the stool, whichever one you're at, and twist all the way to the left side, looking straight ahead. Inhaling and exhaling, trying to get a little bit deeper in the twist, keeping your body grounded. And we're coming back to the front, and then we are going to do some final spinal stretches. I get it, you don't have that much time, and it is okay. I appreciate you being here and taking care of your body. So let's just do some warm-up spinal stretches here. Warming you up for your day. Place your hands on your knees, and we're going to do some seated cat-cows. So on your inhales, I want you to reach your chest up high into the sky. Also looking up, ceiling at all the goals and dreams you want to accomplish today. And exhale, rounding your back. Tucking your chin into your chest. Really creating a curvature here, but still pulling in your belly. Inhaling, chest up, high into the sky. Your eyes can be closed or at a soft gaze. Maybe you have those bright ceiling lights you don't want to necessarily stare into. It's okay. And then we're going to exhale, curving our back. You should be feeling it in your shoulders, just giving a nice little C curve stretch here. One more time, bringing your chest up. About everything you're going to accomplish today, and then let's exhale and guard ourselves from all bad emails or anything that we do not want to receive. And let's bring it back to a neutral spine. What we're going to do is we're going to put our hands out to the side, and we're going to do the same thing. My monster, we might have a little hugs here. But what I want you to do is inhale, bringing your chest up, hands out to the sky, reaching, stretching those arms and those shoulders. Be very gentle to your neck, releasing your shoulders. Sometimes you really want to clutch your shoulders, but release your shoulders. And then when you come back here, I'm going to do it really gentle because our plan. I want you to grasp your hands together and really give yourself the secret. Inhale your arms out. There we go. Let's get a nice chest out, heart open. You're ready to receive all the good news coming to us today. And then we're going to go ahead and close our implants, close your arms, bringing it here. We're going to do one more. Inhale, chest out, receiving, relaxing our shoulders. And then inhaling, clasping our hands back. C curve. Now let's come back to a neutral position and just kind of like flowy move your body. Do one last body scan. Maybe you want to meet yourself in Shavasana, just 30 seconds, a minute, or 2 minutes, just to kind of get yourself prepared and ready for the next part of your day. I'm so proud of you for checking in with yourself, for doing a little bit of chair yoga stretching, so that you can continue to power on and be the amazing person that you are. My name is Radiance, reporting live from Lululemon in Washington, D.C. as your Lululemon ambassador, and I am here to bring you all the radiance that is a reflection of you. Namaste, and have a beautiful day.